Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a government bus pass, covering the essential steps for a successful application. First, gather all relevant information, including eligibility criteria and required documents, to streamline your process. Many passes offer benefits like unlimited rides or significant fare reductions, so understanding your options is key. We will ensure you are well prepared to secure your transportation solution. Eligibility often depends on your specific circumstances, with many passes designed for particular groups. For example, seniors typically qualify at 65 years of age or older, while others may require proof of a disability from a medical professional. Some passes are means-tested, meaning your household income must fall below a certain threshold, for instance, $50,000 annually. Always verify these details with your local authority. To complete your application, prepare a few critical documents. You will need a valid photo ID, perhaps a state identification card or a passport, to confirm your identity. Proof of address, like a recent electricity bill or a bank statement dated within the past 3 months, is also essential. For income-based passes, gather documents showing your earnings, such as your last 2 pay stubs or an official letter confirming benefits received. Having these ready will save you time. Applying for your bus pass involves a few straightforward steps. First, obtain the official application form, often available on the Transportation Authority's website or at local community centers. Carefully complete every section, ensuring all details, like your full name and address, are correct. Once the form is filled, securely attach clear copies of all your required documents. You can then submit your complete package either online through their portal, in person, or via postal service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.